Well, hello and welcome to the VK60S Fun with Amateur Radio channel. Now, if you like old school radio, you'll be having fun already just by seeing these two GU-81Ms illuminated. They actually look a bit brighter on the camera than they do on the table, but they are in the sockets. And I've just wired them up in series, and I have this rather nice little transformer here. Supplying the 24 volts. Now the AC mains voltage is down a bit here. It's a bit over 230 volts. It's supposed to be 240, but it's a bit over 230. And I've got a meter clipped across that. I don't know if you can see the meter by the light of the tubes, the valve. Sorry, it's a bit too American there. There we go. It's on the 50 volt range. So we're looking at. We're looking here, 20, that midpoint there, that's 25 volts. So we're 22 and a bit volts, just under 23 volts. So just a tad low, just a volt and a bit low, possibly, on the heater voltage, but nevertheless, there we go. Heaters applied to the GU-81Ms. I was really quite surprised actually that this little transformer here, and this is Al, VK6KIF again, has come to the rescue with, he's raided his bits and bobs box yet again, and he's come up with that rather nice little transformer there that's mains in, 24 volts out. And I think if I had 240 volts going in, I'd have the correct heater voltage, but there's my hand for scale. As you can see, it's a pretty small transformer, and because the valve heaters are in series, there's a total current there of about 11 amps. Actually, I should have got the clamp meter and measured it, but the voltage across it's 22 volts, and the heater current on these things is 11 amps. Actually, if you just stand by a sec, I'll just see if it's easy to put my hand on that clamp meter. I'll put the light on just to make it easier to see things. Now I've got a clamp meter here. Now where are we? So AC, of course. I'll just calibrate it. There we go, it's calibrated. So if I now just clip that onto one of those. Let's get that one out of the way. And there we go. So 9.27 amps. Now I don't know what the actual tolerance is on this. I'll read the spec again, but it said 12.6 volts at 11 amps. So I've got 9.28 amps going through the heaters at the moment. Remember, they're in series. Got 22.5 volts across the valves. Be mindful, of course, that there is mains on this little transformer on the top of it there, but yeah, it's not bothering the transformer at all. The transformer's not struggling, it's not even slightly warm. So I would say that that is just going to be down to, I reckon if I had another couple of volts there, that, oh, in fact I've got a variac, I could try that. That would draw the 11 amps. They would draw the 11 amps and glow just a little bit brighter. I'll try that, but that'll be for another video because I'll have to rummage around and connect the variac to actually give it that extra bit of input voltage. But anyway, there you go. For lovers of old school radio, something that looks a little bit like old school radio. A couple of GU-81M pentodes glowing away very nicely. As always, hope you found that interesting. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.